Mari gave us lots of historical context and was a lot of fun to spend the afternoon with. We came away with such an appreciation for the Filipino experience. We particularly enjoyed the old Manila house. Highly recommend this tour and ask for Mari. Amazing tour in the Intramuros area. Mari was such a knowledgeable, funny host and we learned so much about Filipino history during our tour. Really enjoyed it and would highly recommend Mari. Victor was an informative and attentive guide. If you are visiting from outside of the Philippines, this is a good way of learning about the cultural and historical background of Intramuros. Many areas I would not have recognized the significance of, or how to find them, without assistance. Casa Manila was a particular highlight, with its intricate decor. Went through all the landmarks and got a good summary of each location. The guide was very kind and accommodating. He gave us umbrellas when it started raining and gave us water. Victor was a great guide. He was very knowledgeable and made the tour interesting. I would definitely recommend this tour. It was a great tour. My tour guide, Tessie, gave me so much great information. And even took great photos. I was so glad I did the tour. Spent a lovely afternoon exploring Intramuros and was lucky to be guided by Neil, a very honest, friendly, and knowledgeable local guide. He shared lots of history, took great care of us, and made the whole experience smooth and memorable. Highly recommend him if you're planning a visit. Neil, +63 956 546 8456. Support local guides like him, it makes a big difference. #Intramuros, #Manila, #tour guide recommendation, #travelphilippines, #support local. We would thoroughly recommend the walking tour. Our guide Mari was superb, her knowledge of Intramuros was fantastic. The overview of the local history before the walk was a great idea.